அயோத்தியில் ராமர் கோயில் கட்டும் பணிகளுக்கு நாளை முதல் தமிழகத்தில் நன்கொடை பெறவிருக்கிறோம் என ராஷ்டிரிய சேவா பாரதியின் தலைவர் கோவையில் மானனீய பன்னலால் பன்சாலி தெரிவித்தார்.
Umbrella organization which supports little more than 1264 institutions in the country who all are involved in the seva work. We facilitate them in basically on four major tasks, which is education, health, livelihood projects, social activities, samajik samrasta. Recently we have added one more project in our 4 IAMs, that is disaster management. So with these all five IAMs, with these 5 sectors, we take care of all type of education, health, social activities, then Jagran and everything, all type of activities throughout the country through these basic 4 sectors we are doing. Yesterday we have a meeting in Tirupur. We had a meeting for our trust board where we have taken the stock of entire work is getting done in the Dakshin Tamil Nadu. You will surprise that Dakshin Tamil Nadu is so active. We are almost touching 6,000 seva works in entire Dakshin Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu we have 2 parts, Uttar Tamil Nadu and Dakshin Tamil Nadu. So since we are sitting in the Dakshin Tamil Nadu, we have almost touching to 6,000 different projects for the seva at different locations of Dakshin Tamil Nadu. You must be knowing that they have done a wonderful job during the COVID, almost serving 30,000 packed food per day, more than 51 days. And now the Seva Bharati, Coimbatore and Dakshin Tamil Nadu is known to almost everybody, which was not that popular before, but COVID has given an opportunity to reach each and every corner of the state. And all the people who needed the service, we could reach to them and provide the necessary requirements and fulfill their requirements. We had a meeting also yesterday with all the industrial magnates of Tirupur and planning to have some branded project, some iconic project which can be showcased for the peoples of Tamil Nadu, that Tirupur being such a big textile hub, it is an international known brand and name in the city. So this city can show something unique to be done for the society, for the social cause by the peoples of Tirupur. Today morning we had a meeting with doctors and we have our own clinic here at Seva Ashram, which is already providing the medicines and general medicines. We have done some surgeries also free of cost with affiliation of the local hospitals.
Seva Health Center.
Seva Health Center. Seva Health Center, and it is a project of Seva Bharati. So local doctors are supporting it very well. We are very happy that doctors are so energetic and motivated. We look forward very soon that we can have a small community centers, primarily in their own area, where the tribal peoples and other peoples are residing. We can reach them and to serve them all their medical needs. In case you have any questions, then I can reply.
So what is the statistical level of throughout India?
We have, in COVID, we have served 92,000 locations. And our 5 lakh Karyakarta, 500,000 volunteers, then mask, then medical kadha for the immunity booster. This everything has gone in 20 millions, 30 millions, unnumbered counted. Huge quantity is distributed throughout the country. Right now, Rashtriya Seva Bharati is almost having 1.5 lakh projects throughout the country. These all are our permanent projects. These all the projects are before COVID. And we hope that after COVID, we'll be able to multiply all the projects in next 3 years. By 2024, we are completing 100 years of Rashtriya Seva Sangh. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS. So we are completing 100 years. and we hope that we can at least double our these total projects from 1.5 lakh to 3 lakhs.
சார் ராமர் கோயில் கட்டும் பணி எந்த அளவுக்கு போயிருக்கு அவருடைய சிறப்பம்சங்கள் எதாவது
What
is the development of Rama temple and any special Vishesha Karya?
Ram temple is going to be a very, very unique and iconic temple throughout the world. It is going to be one of the best temple. You see, architecture is the one side and Asta is the other side. So for the Asta is concerned, we all the Hindu have a Asta in the Ram. So that is one of the very, very pleasant point for us to have a राम को अपने स्थान के हिसाब से घर मिलना चाहिए. सो राम शुड गेट बी हाउस्ड एज पर हिज ओन स्टेचर. सो फॉर दैट our institutions like VHP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad and other Sangh affiliates are making a unique temple which is going to have at least a foundation of more than 1000 years. It's a total stone structure. There will be no use of cement and steel, and we can be rest assured that it's going to be more than 1000 years of life. The temple is going to have such a big Parikrama Sthan, that is circle in circle, where 40 lakhs people can have Parikrama in one day.
சார் எல்லா காரியங்களும் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு நம்மளுடைய ராமர் கோயில் வந்து இந்தியாவுடைய அடையாளங்களை நம்ம வந்து சொல்லலாமா?
After completing the temple, can we say the Rama temple, Ayodhya temple is the icon of India?
Sure, it is going to be one of the best places, not in India, in the entire world. And we all are there with our Astha. So you see, if you are more emotionally and by heart attached, the things comes better.
மத்திய மாநில அரசுடைய ஒத்துழைப்பு எந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கு சார்?
What is the cooperation between the state and central government?
Construction of Ram temple. Construction of
Involvement of the central and
That
state
is
government.
controlled by somebody.
Contribution.
Ram temple.
No, cooperation between the state and central for the Ram temple.
According to Rama Janmabhoomi.
You see, government of India, as per the Supreme Court order, they have made one trust. So that trust has to take full care, neither center nor state. Nobody is there. On the trust has to take care. And the trust constitutes all the trustee from the different parts of the country.